Hi crafters, it's Hannah from HanCraftedCards.com. Welcome to my channel today. I thought today we would have a look through the new occasions catalogue from Stampin' Up and also the Sale-a-Bration brochure from Stampin' Up. We have got some awesome products for you. So the occasions catalogue runs from the 3rd of January to the 31st of May 2018. So this is the cover and there are some awesome new products. So I thought I would just, let me zoom you out, just have a flick through, and I've got some samples as well to show you, and then when we get to some of my favourite products I'll point out which bits are awesome and why. So you've got the same as in the annual catalogue. You'll see suites throughout the catalogue. So a suite is coordinating product lines and everything is bunched together so you know what goes together. Then you've got the kits. Then you've got the quick and easy symbol, which shows you basically what it says, simple creation that you can copy. Then you've got your bundles, which is bundled together so you can save 10%. And then the you can make it list is a list of all the products that you need to make the projects that are shown in the catalogue, well, on a certain page. So I'm just going to flick through. So this is a suite, and so on this page you'll see you've got the stamp set, which I do actually have in real life, so I can show you. So there's the stamp set, picture perfect birthday. So along with that you've got cardstock that coordinates with it, ink spots which are back, which are little you might have seen the uninked stamping spots. Oh, let me just grab one. So this is the size of an ink spot, so they're perfect for if you're travelling, or if you're going to a craft card making scrapbooking event. Instead of carrying the full size ink, then you can carry these cute little ones. So you've got those in the colours that coordinate with this suite. Bermuda Bay, Berry Burst, Peekaboo Peach and Pool Party. There's an embossing folder, ribbon, which is it's like crepe paper kind of thing. Then you've got the designer series paper and some binder clips as well. So this is a suite. You'll see a double page, sometimes two double page spreads sorry, I don't know what's wrong with my throat today, of products. So this is the picture perfect party suite. Say that 3 times fast there. Whoops, I'm dropping things. So that's what a suite looks like. And then as you go through, I'm just gonna flick through some of the pages. So this is another suite. This one I absolutely adore. So you've got the stamp set. I've got a sample of the mini gable boxes, and this is the designer series paper that is in this suite. I mean, how cute are those for gifts? And yeah, we made that with the stamp set as well. So with this one you've got a bundle and save. So if you get the stamp set and the dies together, then you'll save 10% on the price if you were to buy them separate. And also we've got some more embossing paste, which I'm really happy about. So you've got a shimmery white embossing paste and a silver, which when you see in real life it is amazing. I absolutely love that stuff. I love embossing paste anyway. So yeah, a nice silvery one is fantastic. And you've got a nice embellishment kit, and I know in there are vellum sheets, there are die cuts, there are tassels, washi tape, clothespins. There's quite a lot of stuff in that little embellishment kit. Pre-shredded paper for packaging, which is just awesome. 3 bags, a dark pink, a silver and a white. Awesome. So that's another suite. Then we've got the first kit here. So this is an all-inclusive kit. It includes all of the components that you need. So this is the kit here and the stamp set that you'll get in the kit, but there's also an add-on. So when you've finished making all the cards, you can get a refill, because you'll still have the stamp set after you make everything. You get a refill, then you can make more of the same cards if you want. If you know you really love them and you want even more of them, then you can get the refill, which I think is a really good idea, because like I said, you'll have the stamp set afterwards anyway. I mean, you can just use it as a stamp set, but to be able to use it with another kit, but just a refill kit, is a really good idea. So I like that. Got a couple of new punches, so some different size scallop punches there. This is another project kit which I adore, the perennial birthday kit. So you get this box, which is a good size box, and in there you've got dividers for the months, and you do make cards as well. 16 cards, and envelopes, so you can have them ready. You get to January, you know, you need a card for this person, that person, you've already got your cards in there, and then this stamp set coordinates with it, which I have here, perennial birthday. So I will be getting this kit most definitely, so I'll be showing you that when I get it. So we have another suite here, painted with love, which is beautiful. And then this is, I see, this is another suite. Save 10% on the stamp set and dies, which are just gorgeous. And these embellishments, I can actually show you. Oh, I forgot I've got samples on for this one. So these are 2 cards that I've made. This one shows the designer series paper. So the paper is actually black and white on both sides, I believe. Black and white. So you can add colour as you want. So you can see this one, I've just coloured in some of the flowers, stamped the bird, and I don't know if you can see it better on the other one. These metal embellishments, the flowers and leaves. So you might be able to just see it. And then some of this really nice organza. So you can see on this one the 2 metal flowers. They're really nice. I love that. So yes, that's another bundle that I want the whole lot as usual. Where did I put? Yeah. And then there's some memories and more cards that coordinate with that suite as well, which is useful. There you can see the box again, the gable box. Now here in the catalogue we've got brochure crystal colour. So if you don't know what brochure is, it's little crystals that have colour in it, and they're water reactive, so you sprinkle them, wet them, and the colour just explodes. They are amazing. So we've got 5 colours here. They're the brochure colours, but they do kind of coordinate with Stampin' Up colours. So you've got brilliant red, gambage, I don't know how you say that, which is an orange, moss green, Prussian blue, and yellow. So, fabulous. I'm really happy that those are in the catalogue, and you've got a nice stamp set there that you can use them with. So you will be seeing that very soon, I'm sure. So another suite here, Tutti Frutti. So you've got some more ink spots in different colours. These are absolutely adorable little punches. Look at these. They punch out little tiny little fruit. They are absolutely adorable. So you get a strawberry, a pineapple, a pear, and like a half shape that's kind of like a citrus orange wedge. And they are just absolutely adorable. They're just too cute. So that's the Tutti Frutti suite. Really nice paper as well with that one. And as you know now, the Stampin' blends are here. So we've got another couple of stamp sets that are perfect for colouring in. Really like these. So you can see that all of the colours in the Stampin' blends. So you've got quite a lot to be going on there with. Awesome. this one here, the bubble over stamp set and dies that coordinate, really fun die and stamp set. So you can save 10% with those, and it stamps and cuts out these well, I'd say they're a pop bottle. It could be whatever bottle you want them to be, and even the straw as well. I just think that's just too cute. So like some of the sentiments: may your day bubble over with happiness, your kindness is most refreshing, have a birthday brew, thank you, for you, and you've got some bubbles and all sorts of goodness. So that's another really fun bundle. So, oh, and here, I mean, I know you can't see it really in the picture, but these are glitter and clear epoxy shapes. I'm going to try and show you. I don't know if you can see, just there are 3 bubbles. Those are the new clear epoxy shapes. Now obviously you can't see them in the camera really. I do have some. They come in 2 shapes. This is kind of a used, so if I do that, you might be able to just see. Now there's a teardrop or water drop shape and then 2 size circles. So a little bit better there. So yeah, those are fun new embellishments that are in this catalogue. And because as well on this page you've got the sunshine and rainbow stamp set and dies, and so these teardrop raindrop shapes go really, really well with this stamp set. I don't know why I can't speak today. Something's wrong with me. So another one that is really good for Stampin' blends, the watercolour pencils, spritzers, etc, etc, adding lots of colour, basically, as it says, simply add colour. Oh, this suite is absolutely precious. The Myths and Magic suite. Look at these images. I mean, how cute are those? I am in love with this mermaid. It is absolutely adorable. So you've got stamps and dies, again another bundle, and then this paper. The paper has glittered, iridescent glitter designs on one side, so they're all shimmery and sparkly and just magical. They are just, yeah. If you have any kids that you're crafting for, they're going to love this whole suite. You've got glimmer paper as well, which is 6x6, which is very useful because you don't need huge sheets of glimmer paper, so 6x6 is actually a lot more practical, I think. And then some washi tape as well. Love this one. We must celebrate. Gorgeous, cute images. We've got a nice realistic looking bunny. I don't know if you remember, there was a realistic bear in, is he in the catalogue? I think he might be in the annual catalogue. So now we've got a realistic looking bunny, so when you stamp it, it looks more like a photo than a stamped image, you know, like a normal stamped image. So it's pretty cool actually. So I might be getting that. This one is a very interesting looking one, a barn door stamp set and dies, but the door moves, so it's a slider card basically, so the barn door will actually move. So yeah, that's kind of fun. This True Gentleman, so it is also crafting for any guys, or just for a, you know, not pinky, brighty, flashy, that kind of look card. This is the suite for you. All sorts of dad, guy type sentiments here. There's a punch that punches this shape out, which is great. And you've got a couple of Stampin' Right markers, and here I was telling you about the You Can Make It list. So there it's telling you to make all of these projects, this is what you need. So it tells you the cardstock, the paper, the ink pads and the punch to make these projects. So yeah, and there's a quick and simple one there as well. So this is a really good suite, I think. And then you've got some more girly mum type sentiments in this one. Mother's Day obviously, but I just love that shoe. That's so me. I would wear those shoes. This is an interesting one. Apron of Love. I don't know why it's not wowing me for some reason. I'm not getting the apron. That's just me though. So yeah, I don't think I'll be getting that one myself, but you might like it. This is absolutely gorgeous. You can create a very realistic looking watercolour scene that is just stunning, I think. And it's actually inspired by Million Sales Achiever Connie, oh I don't know how to say that, her last name, Heasy. I'm so sorry, Connie. I don't know how to pronounce your surname. But basically, when you reach a million in sales, you get to create a stamp set. So you'll have some input in the stamp set. So that is, that's how that stamp set came about, which is awesome. I would love to be able to do that. And some others. I really like this one. This was demonstrated to us on stage in November, and it's a very simple stamp set, but it's just, I think it's really classy. I don't know if it's the shape of the flowers and everything. I think it's absolutely lovely. Nice big congratulations there, which is awesome. And then it goes on to explain to you the Stampin' rewards. So once your ordering reaches a certain amount, then you get some freebies. You get extra discounts and stuff like that. So if you want more information about ordering, then let me know, and of course joining. I would love to have you as part of my team. And then these are hostess rewards. So as part of the Stampin' rewards that you can get is that you can buy one of these 2 stamp sets. So these are only for hostess rewards, Stampin' rewards. So, and then these ones were in the autumn winter catalogue, but they've carried over to the occasions catalogue. So that is just a little flick through of my favourite products in the occasions catalogue. Because this video is actually kind of long, I'm going to stop it and then come back with a part 2 for Sale-a-Bration. So I will see you in part 2 of this video.